Hi students, I want to show you how to put your needs assessment into your ePortfolio. So click on Classwork, bottom left-hand corner, click on ePortfolios. Then you're going to click on your name. So I'll just click on this student's name, and I can see that there is a needs assessment. So double click on the needs assessment just to read it. Okay, and then you can scroll up and down to read her needs assessment. Your own, okay, and see if just to review it. Then you're going to click with your left finger down on the bottom left hand corner of your touchpad, and you're going to, with your right finger, drag it into About Me. Click Move. And you can undo it if you made a mistake, but you can just click the X. Now double click on that to make sure it got there. So you should have your paragraph and your needs assessment. Click on your name to go back. And now you want to go to number 2, inventory sheets. Double click. Double click on the picture. Look down at the bottom. Wait a few minutes for it to load. And you need to go down here. Okay, and it's just waiting. So you want to go to All About Me. And now you're going to write in here today's date. Today is February 2nd, 2012, and you're going to write needs assessment. Remember, you have 2 S's. There's 4 S's in assessment. Now to go back, I am going to go up to the very top of the page, and I'm going to click the X of the tab. It'll say leave. Okay, and then I click on my name, and that will take me back to the main page. Finally, I click the X on the tab, and X again, and X again, and now I will get to my classwork. So that's how you get back to your, how you put your needs assessment away.